Didn't feel much like spring today. But First Alert meteorologist Ray Petelin says we could see temperatures near 70 soon. Ray, on behalf of all my fellow citizens in Western Pennsylvania, I say bring it.
I'm going to bring it. It's a little delayed until next week, but the next couple days, once we get through the colder part of this forecast, I think you're going to like what you see next week, especially with the sunshine that comes attached with that warm up. As for tonight, we have our skies clearing out. That's not going to help us stay warm. That's going to keep dropping those temperatures. We're at 33 at the moment. Feels like 23 because we still have wind gusts at 26 miles per hour, and we're going to drop another 8 degrees or so between now and tomorrow morning thanks to those clearing skies. Temperatures early for most everyone will be down into the mid-20s, and highs tomorrow will be in the mid to upper 40s. I think temps a little cooler in the ridges, but most of us on an even note at about 45 to 48 degrees. However, it's not going to feel that warm. It's going to feel more like the teens early in the morning, the 20s late in the morning, and then the 30s at best for the afternoon. So a colder setup even with the wind chills, but we're clearing it out. So we're going to get some upfront sunshine is what we'll call it tomorrow. Those clouds come back, though, ahead of the next system that will be arriving once we get towards the evening commute. Starting off as rain for a couple hours and changing over to snow, I think by 8, 9 o'clock. This is going to last until about 2 a.m. Then the skies clear out and we look for some sunshine to take us for the rest of the weekend. We'll have some clouds mixing in from time to time, but I think it's going to be a nice looking weekend. However, those temperatures are going to be a little chillier. Accumulations for snow tonight, really nothing because that snow's wrapping up, but tomorrow night into early Saturday, coating to an inch. Pittsburgh up to around 422. That includes Greensburg up to Indiana, and then 1 to 2, maybe 3 in a very isolated spot for the ridges. So tonight, expect those temperatures to be cold, and it's going to be cold still at the bus stop early tomorrow morning. So that colder feel to the forecast is going to remain as we drop down to 26 degrees. Winds diminishing. They're already starting to do so, but still a 10 to 15 mile per hour breeze is going to make that 26 feel like the single digits. Saturday, Sunday, we make a big jump in temperatures, and then we keep that going. Monday, 60 degrees, closer to 70. Tuesday and Wednesday next week. Thursday of next week, still 60 degrees, and that comes with a nice mix of sun and a few clouds.